Scorpio, listen closely because this message isn't finding you by accident. October 29th is not just another date on the calendar, it's the day destiny shifts in your favour. The final prophecy has been revealed, and Spirit says this is the moment your patience pays off, your tears turn into blessings, and your faith unlocks doors no one could shut. If you're watching this, it's not by accident. This message found you for a reason. Your destiny is about to unfold in ways you've prayed for but never expected. You've been tested, stretched, and refined. But now, heaven is responding. Something powerful is aligning for you, and if you've been feeling that energy building up, this is your confirmation. Don't forget to like this video if you feel the energy shifting. Subscribe for more divine messages, and comment below, I claim my destiny, to activate your blessing. Because Scorpio, by the end of this message, you'll understand exactly why October 29th is the day heaven remembers your name. Let's begin. 1. The cosmic door opens. The final prophecy unfolds. Scorpio, for months, the universe has been preparing you for a shift unlike anything you've ever experienced. You've walked through darkness, faced emotional storms, and endured endings that shattered your old self, not to destroy you, but to reshape you. October 29th marks a sacred turning point, the day the cosmic door finally opens and reveals what your soul has been waiting for. This is not coincidence, it's divine timing. Every delay, detour, and heartbreak had a purpose. The planetary energy surrounding this date holds vibrations of rebirth, release, and revelation. You're standing at the frequency of transformation, where the old dissolves and the new begins to rise. If you've been sensing a strange pull, waves of emotion, restlessness, or moments of déjà vu, it's because your spirit feels the door unlocking. These sensations are signs that your destiny is realigning. The universe is shifting you from survival to ascension, from waiting to walking in purpose. The final prophecy reveals a truth you already feel in your bones. Everything you lost was never meant to stay. The friendships that faded, the dreams that collapsed, the paths that closed, they were preparing space for divine elevation. The universe was pruning your life for harvest. And now, Scorpio, October 29th begins a new cycle, one of manifestation, momentum, and miracles. The locked gates are opening, and the path that once seemed invisible will appear right before you. But with this rise comes revelation. Not everyone will celebrate your glow up. Some will question it, others will envy it. Don't dim your light for their comfort. Shine anyway, because your success is part of your purpose. Destiny moves quietly. It doesn't announce when it's coming, it simply arrives, and everything shifts at once. The vibration of this prophecy carries reward after resilience. Spirit whispers, "You remained faithful in the storm. Now you shall receive in peace. Expect sudden breakthroughs, unexpected messages, financial doors opening, or people crossing your path who carry divine assignments connected to your next chapter." Even the number 29 carries a sacred code. 2 represents divine alignment and partnership, heaven and earth working together. 9 represents endings, fulfillment, and spiritual completion. Together, they form a bridge, closing one cycle while birthing another. You're stepping out of karmic loops and into divine alignment. So, Scorpio, take a deep breath. Feel this shift in your soul. You've endured the refining fire, and now the ashes are transforming into gold. This is your moment of ascension. The wait is over. The prophecy is active. And on October 29th, the universe will whisper your name as the door to your destiny swings wide open. 2. The sign of transformation. When the phoenix rises, Scorpio, you are ruled by Pluto, the planet of death, rebirth, and profound transformation. No other sign in the zodiac understands the process of total renewal like you do. The final prophecy speaks directly to your divine essence, the phoenix rising. This is your season of resurrection, and October 29th marks the moment your transformation becomes undeniable. You've endured endings that felt unfair, heartbreaks that stripped you bare, and moments of silence that tested your faith. But here's the truth the universe wants you to understand. Destruction was never punishment. It was purification. Every breakdown was preparing your spirit for a divine breakthrough. When the phoenix rises, it doesn't return as it was before. It emerges radiant, unstoppable, and fully aligned with purpose. That's you now, Scorpio, reborn through fire, wiser through pain, and ready to embrace your destiny with fearless grace. You are not the same soul you were a year ago. You've learned how to protect your peace, to heal in solitude, and to trust the quiet voice of your intuition. That inner stillness, that silent faith you kept when everything fell apart, that's the energy that's now manifesting miracles. The final prophecy declares that your transformation has reached completion. The shedding of your old self is done. That means the old you, ruled by doubt, guilt, and fear, is dissolving. The new you, grounded in strength, serenity, and divine clarity, is emerging. What once drained your energy will no longer hold power over you. Spirit is about to place you in moments where your past self would have reacted from pain. But this time, you'll respond from peace. That shift is your proof that you've transcended the old timeline. And as your vibration rises, don't be surprised if the past tries to reappear. People, memories, or unfinished situations may resurface. But understand this clearly. Your evolution is not an invitation to reopen old doors. It's a signal to walk boldly into new ones. Let the past witness your glow up, but don't let it interrupt your growth. October 29th carries the sacred energy of the phoenix fire. It burns away fear, limitation, and attachment, clearing the path for passion, purpose, and divine fulfillment. The flame that once hurt you will now empower you. You may receive divine downloads, flashes of intuition, prophetic dreams, or an overwhelming sense that something extraordinary is unfolding. Don't ignore those signs. Spirit communicates through synchronicities, repeating numbers like 1111, 222, or 1029, random songs that move your spirit, or sudden bursts of inspiration. These are heaven's whispers, confirming that your rebirth is not ahead. It's happening now. And Scorpio, when you rise for more than yourself. You rise for your ancestors, your lineage, and those who will follow in your footsteps. Your courage heals generations. Your faith opens paths that once seemed impossible. The universe chose you. Not because you were perfect, but because you were persistent. This is your ascension. This is your prophecy fulfilled. It's time to rise, like the phoenix you were born to be. 3. The Day of Revelation. When destiny speaks. October 29th is not just symbolic, it's spiritual law in motion. It marks the Day of Revelation, the moment when everything hidden beneath the surface finally comes into view. The universe is ready to uncover what's been concealed, reveal what's been delayed, and clarify what's been confusing. This is the day when destiny begins to speak clearly. According to the final prophecy, clarity will arrive like a flash of lightning, sudden, undeniable, and transformative. You'll begin to understand why certain people walked away, why some doors closed just when you thought they'd open, and why your path took unexpected turns. Every painful detour will finally reveal its purpose. Every unanswered prayer will start to make sense. Scorpio, your life is about to accelerate. The energies around this day are aligning to catapult you into your next level faster than you ever imagined. That's why the universe needed you to be still, to anchor your spirit, to rest your energy, and to prepare for what's coming. You've endured your waiting season. Now comes your receiving season. The energy of revelation brings two divine gifts, truth and direction. You will see what's real and what was illusion. People's true motives will come to light. Masks will fall away and spiritual fog will clear. Don't fear what's revealed, because every truth that surfaces is designed to free you. In this energy, nothing is random. Pay close attention to dreams, repeated numbers, song lyrics, or meaningful conversations. Spirit will speak through subtle signs, whispers that confirm you're on the right track. Something someone says in passing may strike your soul deeply. You may see synchronicities like 1111, 333, or 1029. Reminders that the universe is orchestrating your next step. But here's the key. The universe isn't waiting for perfection. It's waiting for your permission. Once you declare, "I am ready," the flow of manifestation begins. The moment you align your belief with divine timing, everything begins to unfold naturally. Many Scorpios will notice sudden opportunities appearing, promotions, partnerships, financial blessings, or creative breakthroughs that seem too good to be true. But they are real because your inner frequency has risen to match them. You've been sowing energy, discipline, and faith in silence. Now you're about to harvest in abundance. This revelation isn't just external, it's internal too. Your intuition will heighten. Your sense of peace will deepen. You'll recognize energy instantly. Who is genuine? Who is draining? What feels aligned and what feels off? This discernment is one of your greatest spiritual upgrades. You will stop chasing and start attracting. You'll find yourself at ease, confident that everything meant for you will arrive right on time. That calm certainty is the proof that the veil has been lifted. The final prophecy declares, Scorpio, you are no longer walking blindfolded. Your spiritual sight is restored. From this day forward, your path will feel lighter, clearer, and divinely guided. So when October 29th arrives, take a sacred pause, light a candle, meditate, or simply whisper, I am ready for my divine revelation. Because once this energy activates, there's no turning back. You are stepping fully into the truth, alignment, and destiny that have been waiting for you all along. 4. The reward of faith. Heaven's response to your patience. Scorpio, heaven has witnessed every silent tear, every whispered prayer, and every moment you chose faith over fear when it would have been easier to give up. The final prophecy calls this season the reward of faith, because what's about to unfold in your life isn't coincidence, it's divine response. Every time you held on to hope when the evidence said otherwise, every time you surrendered instead of breaking down, your spirit was sending out a vibration that reached the higher realms. That faith became a frequency, and now heaven is answering. This isn't random favor. This is divine justice. The scales are finally balancing in your favor. The same experiences that once brought you pain are now transforming into portals of purpose. Everything that felt delayed is being released, and every place you were once denied access to is being divinely reopened, this time with your name on the door. Expect visible movement in the areas that once felt frozen. Finances beginning to flow, unexpected opportunities appearing, long-awaited communication returning, or healing energy restoring your health. Spirit whispers, because you waited with grace, I am releasing what was once withheld. But Scorpio, as your blessings begin to pour in, remember this truth. Humility sustains what faith attracts. When miracles start unfolding, don't forget the nights you spent praying for them. Gratitude is your key to divine flow. The more thankful you are, the more the universe multiplies your blessings. This prophecy also speaks of divine connections, souls entering your life now who are part of your next elevation. These aren't casual relationships, they're divinely orchestrated partnerships aligned with your mission. You'll recognize them instantly, not by appearance but by energy. They'll feel like home. Conversations will flow effortlessly. Their presence will empower you to rise higher, dream bigger, and walk stronger. Together, you'll co-create something meaningful, a vision, a project, or a purpose that ripples light into the world. These divine alignments are part of heaven's reward for your patience. The final prophecy says, "What once broke you will now build you." The very experiences that shattered your heart have equipped your spirit. The same hands that hurt you will watch your elevation, not in vengeance, but in divine reversal. Spirit is restoring your name, your peace, and your power. Some Scorpios will even experience spiritual justice, hidden truths revealed, karmic cycles closed, and recognition that was long overdue finally arriving. But Spirit reminds you, don't seek revenge, seek revelation. The universe will handle what's behind you while you step forward into victory. Understand this deeply. Your faith was never wasted. Every delay was divine timing, preparing you for something far greater than you imagined. Every heartbreak refined your soul, building compassion and wisdom. Every test increased your spiritual authority. Now, heaven is saying one simple but powerful phrase: it's time. October 29th vibrates with the energy of answered prayers. It's the day when heaven's silence turns into movement, when divine timing turns into divine manifestation. You'll feel it, you'll sense it in your spirit. That shift from waiting to walking in what you once dreamed of. So when the blessings start to arrive, don't doubt it, don't question it, don't resist it. Simply breathe, smile, and say with certainty, "This is the return for my faith." Because Scorpio, you didn't just survive the storm, you mastered it. You turned pain into power, silence into strength, and waiting into wisdom. And your reward won't just be external success. It will be inner peace, divine alignment, and heaven's everlasting protection. Your patience has opened portals. Your faith has moved mountains. And now, heaven is moving for you. Scorpio. If this message reached your soul, it's because it was meant for you. You didn't stumble on this video by chance. Spirit led you here as confirmation that your season of waiting is over. The final prophecy has been fulfilled. Your faith has unlocked the reward. From this moment on, expect miracles, divine alignments, and unexpected breakthroughs. What once broke you will now bless you. Remember this: your story isn't ending, it's transforming. You're not walking alone. Heaven is walking beside you. If you felt this truth deep within, type "I receive it" in the comments to claim this prophecy and seal it with faith. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because your next confirmation might be the one that changes your life forever.